Today we'll be making an at-home electrolyte hydration drink so you don't have to keep spending money at the store buying those LMNTs and liquid IVs, which have too much salt and cost too much money. We're going to be using 3 simple ingredients: potassium chloride, sodium chloride or salt, and magnesium glycinate. Why would you drink a hydration drink at home?
Save money.
Okay.
Less waste.
Less waste.
No natural flavors.
No natural flavors. What are those? What are those?
And then you can add lemon and lime if you want for...
Wait, aren't these natural flavors?
Yeah.
These are the natural flavors you want. The juice of a lime, the juice of a lemon. Not something that's mixed in a vat in a factory somewhere that you don't know where it's located. Get scared. The LMNT, the liquid IVs, and the other to-go packets like these, they have far too much sodium per serving. It gives you 1,000 milligrams of salt, and people are drinking them all in one go. You should space this out throughout the day.
Yep.
This is gonna be in supplement to the water that you drink during the day. There's gonna be 500 milligrams of salt instead. Now, what's an electrolyte? Electrolyte, it's got electrolytes. I feel like I'm in that movie Idiocracy. It's got electrolytes. It's salt. Electrolyte, just think sodium. The salt's gonna regulate the water outside the cells in your body. You need the potassium chloride. This is another electrolyte. This is gonna regulate the water inside the cell.
So we're like, you're sodium, I'm potassium. We work...
The sodium potassium pump in chemistry, we learned about it.
Magnesium.
Magnesium is gonna help you rest easy and sleep at night. This is gonna regulate your mood, limit and reduce your anxiety, and help you get a good night's sleep. And then the lemon and lime for flavor. Now, I did a little mathematics and I want you to hear this. When you get these style packets, these are gonna cost you $1.50 per packet. This drink is only gonna cost you 8 cents per serving. With these items here, you are going to be able to yield 491 servings. That would cost you $736. So instead of paying 8 cents a serving, you're paying $1.50.
Yeah. Instead
of paying $66 for months and months of 491 servings, you're gonna pay $736 for the same comparable value that you would get in the Element and Liquid IV packets. So for us, it's a no-brainer. Okay, JC.
Yes.
Walk us through what we're gonna do here.
If you want your drink more salty, you can use the same exact measurements for 16 ounces.
How much in here?
32 ounces. We have our 32 ounces of water.
What do we do next?
Cut the lemon and the lime. Juice of half a lemon. Next, we do the salt. So we are going to be using 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Boom, nice. Boop. Next we have what?
Potassium.
There it is.
And we are going to be using 1/8 teaspoon.
Okay. Beautiful. And lastly, JC, what is this and how much are we using of it?
Magnesium glycinate, 1/8 teaspoon.
1/8 teaspoon. Gets you about 60 milligrams. And now this is the glycinate. Now what?
Put a straw in it.
Okay.
And give her a mix. And we just will put this in the fridge throughout the day, and throughout the day, while this is chilling, we'll just go and take a sip whenever we feel the need to.
Okay, let's see what you got. Uh-oh, getting nervous.
Yum.
Oh, beautiful. I love it so much. So that's how you make your own hydration electrolyte drink at home. Save money, stay healthy, and live a great life. Thank you for watching us today. We'll be back soon with more stuff. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Cheers.